Hi, if you want to make force restart on the iPhone 16, then you need to press the volume up button, then volume down, and then press and hold the side button. Let's try this out. So I'm pressing volume up, then volume down immediately, and then pressing and holding the power button, and ignore the power off menu, just continue to hold the power button until the screen will be completely turned off and you'll see the Apple's logo appears on the screen. Great, now we can release the button and simply wait till it will turn on again. And also please note that you need to do this without connecting the phone to the charging cable to the charger. Otherwise, it may enter recovery mode, so just do not plug it in the charger. And now we are waiting till it will turn on, and yes, we just need to swipe to unlock, and here you can also check the information that the phone just restarted. And that's it, how you do this. So I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.